These are one of my favorite holiday treats to make with kids. Easy, festive, and perfect for sharing. These M&M chocolate chip cookie bars are the perfect recipe to make with your kids or grandkids. I can't wait to share the recipe with you. So let's get baking. And be sure to stick around until the end, because I'll show you a few easy ways to package these bars so you can use them for holiday gifts using tins and plates you probably already have. Now, no matter what the age, I always think it's a really great idea when you're baking with children, be they your kids or grandkids, unless they're teens. I like to get everything out and measured. So these amazing cookie bars have mini M&Ms, holiday M&Ms, chocolate chips, and just a whole bunch of good stuff. And the best part is that you don't need an electric mixer, either a handheld or a stand mixer. We're just going to mix it all in one bowl with a spoon. It's perfect. So I like to start out, and I think it's a really good idea if you do too, of mixing what we call the wet ingredients. So that's, first off, softened butter. And you can just soften your butter in the microwave. And then we have 2 sugars. We have a half a cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of white sugar. And just using a wooden spoon, blend it all together. And this brown sugar I'm using is Demerara sugar. So you can see it's a little coarse, but it's lovely and sweet. Now I'm basing this recipe from my chocolate chip cookie recipe on the blog, and it's one of the top recipes on the blog. Everyone loves it. But in this case, I'm not melting the butter. Because we are making cookie bars, I want them to kind of puff up a bit. Now, if your butter's really stiff and you're having difficulty, just put it in the microwave for about 8 to 10 seconds. That's what I did. So now we're going to add a whole egg and the vanilla. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And this mixes up so quickly. And that's what kids love the most, right? When you're making recipes, at least when I bake with my granddaughters, Lulu and Joey, and I must admit, we haven't done that in a while. The most fun for them is putting the ingredients in the bowl. Okay, so now we're going to add in the flour, the salt, and the baking soda. So let's put a little bit of the flour in. It's 1.5 cups of flour. And I'm just going to add the salt and the baking soda while I'm at it. Okay, and we'll put the rest of the flour in. Okay, so now we have that batter mixed, and my hands are very clean. We're going to add the chocolate chips, the mini M&Ms, and just a few of the holiday M&Ms, because I'm going to sprinkle those along the top. And at this point, I like to get in there with my hands. You might need to do some supervision. Okay, now we're ready for our pan. So we're going to use an 8x8 pan. I've already sprayed it. It's really not coffee. I actually gave coffee up about 10 days ago, and I'm still struggling a little bit, but this is chicory coffee. We'll see. So I would normally chill this batter if we were making the chocolate chip cookies, because it uses melted butter. But we didn't melt this butter, so I'm not going to do that. That out of the way. And I've preheated the oven to 350. And we'll just, oh, there's a blue chip. And we'll just press this into the pan, get it right into the corners, and try and make it as even as you possibly can. But, you know, I wouldn't worry too much if it isn't exactly even. We're just going for the sweetness, not perfection. Here are the leftover M&Ms, and I'm just going to randomly, they're not leftovers, they're really just extras. Oh, I'm getting too many greens in one spot. Oh well. They're kind of like Grinch green and dark green and red. They'll be fun. I'm actually taking these to Christmas Eve. We always celebrate with our family, and my beautiful granddaughters will be there. Okay, I think we've done enough damage. They look pretty good. Now we'll get them into the oven, baking them for, I have to check my instructions, I think about 20 minutes. But let's start at 15. Let's go 15 minutes. You can always go up, but you can't go back. Now our M&M holiday cookie bars have cooled, so we can cut them up, and I'm going to package some of them into this cute little tin. I have some Christmas doilies, paper doilies to put inside. And this box will be for my granddaughters, Lulu and Joey. So let's get these bars cut. Don't worry if it's not even. You'll find that you'll hit some of the M&Ms along the way. Really gooey and chewy. They look great, don't they? Here's another one. Lots of good stuff in there. And I think what I'll do is put them in the refrigerator and let them chill before I put them into a container. For me, holiday baking isn't about perfection. It's about being together and making memories in the kitchen. You'll have so much fun baking these M&M chocolate chip cookie bars with your kids or your grandkids. Such a chewy, delicious cookie, and just packed with chocolate chips, mini M&Ms, and holiday M&Ms. Some of the holiday M&Ms are actually a peppermint flavor. I didn't know that before I put them in. But as I said, absolutely delicious and fun to give and fun to receive. Enjoy. Now, I hope you'll stay with us, but keep watching. Over here, we have more videos for you to watch and bake along with me, and YouTube has chosen a video just for you. Happy baking.